Hello, I'm Jasarine Lee from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772 is here at Mount Sinai Avenue in District 10 to present this 3.5-story semi-detached house that's nestled within a quiet enclave and offers an absolute privacy for homeowners. This elevated plot of land size 3,300 square feet has a built-up of 5,500 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms, a lap pool, and a covered car porch. Come, take a look inside. And that long-enduring search of yours when you call me today at 8100-7772. Your final answer is right here. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties. Let my team work, make your dream works.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.